So today I want to talk about something that has the ability to transform or to change one's life, which is the ability to learn a skill. Now you see, in today's world, having a skill is no longer an option but a necessity. Whether you want to seek a means of earning money or having money like income to make money, or just to simply improve yourself or to stand out in the crowd, having or learning a skill is the key. And guess what? You don't need degree to learn most of these skills. So grab a snack and let's dive into the video. But wait, don't forget to hit that notification button. But you know that when you hit that notification button, it won't work unless you subscribe. So please do well to subscribe, and then the notification button, when you hit it, is gonna be functioning. So let's just dive right into the video.
So let's just dive right in, okay?
So you see, this makes you a valuable person. Having a skill or learning a skill will make you a valuable person, the most valuable person, I'm telling you. Because when you have a skill, it makes yourself, or you are a valuable person. You are out there to provide solutions to problems. You are there to produce value, to bring out value. Now, let's take for an example. Let's say you are a student or maybe a 9-to-5 worker, and you working right from home. Because of a skill you have, and you are doing a particular project right from home, and you are earning. How will you feel of that? Your excitement will not only come on what you are earning, but it will come on you're able to produce or proffer solution. You give out value to someone out there, someone seeking for your services. It makes you to stand out. Either video editing, graphic designing, coding, or any skill that you can imagine of. It makes you a valuable person. I'm telling you the truth, no one that has a skill, that person will be, let me say, that will be considered or will be looked down or will be looked upon, considered inferior. Any person with a skill is considered as a valuable person. So if you don't have your skill, you will be mostly likely to be underrated. Yes, because when your mates are together, or when you are in a place, you don't have anything to offer. What do you have to offer on the table? Are you seeing it? In today's world that we are, having a skill will make you a valuable person. You can stand out anywhere you are, because what? You have something that someone is in need of. You have something that someone will appreciate when you present it to that person. Hope you are getting this. This is one of the importance of learning a skill. This is why, if you have been hearing about the preaching and hearing about the sermon, which do I say sermon? Well, let me say announcement. What kind of awareness, like have a skill, this and that. I want you to know that it's very important. This cannot be overemphasized. Learning a skill will make you the most valuable person. Now, let me give an example. This very app that you're using, this YouTube app that you're using, do you know that it was created by someone or group of persons? It is someone's idea, someone that has a skill, that know how to manipulate, know how to form, know how to create, that brought about an app in which everyone is using. It becomes a valuable thing. And when you get to see, they point out to someone, say, this is the person that created this app. I know you will appreciate that person. You say, this person is a wise person. He has done what has been of help to many people. Clients and companies are looking for skilled individuals. So you should know that learning or having a skill is very important, because you can find yourself a job because of the skill you are having. Everyone has certificate, but not everyone has a skill. Yes, you see, clients and companies are looking for individuals that are skillful, that are skilled, let me say skilled, inclined. They are skillful. They are looking for people in which can solve problems, people that can provide solutions to problems, not just people with degrees. And let me tell you one fact. Some companies, do you know that some companies they are not looking for, they are not interested. Okay, let me say they choose those that have skill over those with degree. Do you know that? So learning a valuable skill like graphic design, video editing, animation, coding, web development, and the rest of them, I'm telling you, can make you a valuable person. I want you to have in mind, any skill they are learning can make you a valuable person. It will make you to stand out. This is what it means to make you to stand out among many that will come to seeking for a job. Let's say among many that will come to seek for a job, some will come with certificate, some will come without certificate, but will come with skill. Do you know that there are some certain conditions in some companies that they will choose that person or those that have skill than those with certificate? Because most people that have certificate, they don't have skill. But when you go with skill, even with your certificate, with your certification, and you have, in fact, it has more spicy. It makes it look so delicious, so I can say, but it's no food though. But it makes it look very well. Are you getting it? You having a certificate and having skill on it make you to stand out. You stand out among others, those that come with certificate and those that come with certificate and what? And skill. It makes you a valuable person. It makes you to stand out among others. You'll be most considered. You'll be considered most, because those with skill, they are people that are so quick to solve problems, to bring solutions to problems. So, hope this is making sense to you.
Great tip, Tom. Hey, if you're enjoying the video, remember to like and subscribe to the channel. We bring out weekly videos, so smash that notification bell so that you know when we next bring one out. See you soon.
This can also make you to have what is called financial independence. When they come to the aspect of finance, you will not be depending on anyone. So now let me ask you this question. Do you want to be earning money without depending on anyone or depending? As a student, do you want to be earning even while studying? If your answers are yes, then you should know that having a skill or learning a skill will add up. One of the importance that will add up to it is that you'll be financially independent. Some of the skill, maybe as a starter, you may still be depending because you are still starting. Maybe you've not yet gotten a job, or you've gotten a job that is paying you little. At least it has sought out some percentage of your finance. To some that are completely dependent, let's say you are 100% dependent on someone on the aspect of finance, and then you just get yourself into skill. You learn a skill and it has landed you a job. No matter how much you are earning or is paying you, but it has reduced the percentage of dependency. If it is 100%, maybe it may reduce 30%, 40, 50%, or even 75% of dependence. And then you see, you are now living, you'll be living like a boss, you'll be living like a big person now, because now you are having a flow of income. So, this can make you to start up a freelancing career. It can also make you to start up your business. You can be working remotely. Actually, you can be working remotely. And valuable skills, I've been mentioning some of them here. We have coding, we have video editing, we have graphic designing, we have web development. This is very crucial. Web development. There are many more technical skills and many more digital skills that you can find yourself into and learning. This reminds me, I've made a video on high-paying skills that one can learn even with the use of smartphone. I've made that video. Maybe the video link will be popping up now, or maybe I will make sure I put down the video link on the description or in the description. Make sure you watch that video if you have not watched it. It will also give you a glimpse of idea of several skills that one can learn even with the use of smartphone in case you don't have a laptop.